Jobber can automatically send reminder texts and emails before a job starts, which means fewer no-shows and fewer I forgot calls from customers. By the end of this, you'll know how to turn on automated reminders in Jobber, customize them, and make sure they actually send. Here's the direct answer. To set up automated reminders in Jobber, go into your settings, open Client Notifications, choose the reminder type, set the timing, and save it. Start on your Jobber dashboard. Click Settings. Then go to Client Notifications. This is where Jobber controls every message it sends to customers, including appointment confirmations, reminder texts, and follow-ups. Look for e-visit reminders. That's the feature you want. Turn it on. Once it's enabled, Jobber lets you choose how the reminder goes out. Usually that's email, SMS, or both. If your customers respond faster to texts, turn on SMS. If you need more details in the message, email works better. Next, set the timing. This is where you decide when the reminder gets sent. A common setup is 24 hours before the visit. That gives customers enough time to reschedule if needed. Some businesses also set same-day reminders for afternoon jobs. That helps with shorter booking windows. After that, customize the message. Jobber uses placeholders like customer name, visit date, and time automatically. That means you don't have to manually update every reminder. Keep the message short. Something like, "Reminder, your service appointment is scheduled for tomorrow at 10 a.m. That's enough. Now, save your changes. From this point forward, every new scheduled visit follows that automation. Here's where people mess it up. If your customer profile doesn't have a valid phone number or email, Jobber has nowhere to send the reminder. Check that first. Also make sure SMS notifications are included in your plan. Some Jobber features depend on your subscription level. One smart move is testing it. Create a fake customer profile with your own number or email. Schedule a test visit and watch the reminder come through. That tells you exactly what your customers will see. Quick recap. Go to Settings, open Client Notifications, turn on Visit Reminders, set your timing, and customize the message. Then test it before using it live. Your next step is simple. Set one reminder for tomorrow and test it on yourself. If this saved you time, like the video, and subscribe for more Jobber walkthroughs.